Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.75 in agriculture, which is notably below our historical average. This negative shift indicates a significant concern among stakeholders, likely due to recent weather events or supply chain disruptions. While momentum is flat at plus 0.00, the presence of 20 semantic clusters suggests that the conversation is rich and varied, even if the sentiment is bleak. With our API, you'll get a comprehensive snapshot of sentiments, including contextual insights that help you understand the nuances behind the numbers. Imagine you're developing a trading strategy or an analytics tool. This data could guide your decisions, helping you mitigate risks or capitalize on emerging trends. Dive deeper into the details at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.